Okay, so we want to solve this integral, which is the natural log of x divided by x cubed. So first, let me just rewrite this as x to the negative 3 times the natural log of x. And this is going to be an integral that we have to do with integration by parts. So the first thing we want to do is pick a u and pick a dv. So our u should be natural log of x, because that is going to be easier to differentiate than it is to integrate. I mean, we can integrate natural log of x, but it's not going to be very nice because it just won't be as nice. That'll be 1 over x, and then our dv will be x to the negative 3, and v will be, let's see, inverse power rule, negative 1/2 x to the negative 2. So there's all our formulas that we need. So then we'll go ahead and plug this into our equation for integration by parts, which is u times v minus the integral of v du. And so we're going to have natural log of x times negative 1/2 x to the negative 2 minus the integral of negative 1/2 x to the negative 2 times 1 over x. Okay, so let me just simplify this. This will be negative 1/2 x to the negative 2 natural log of x. And then we'll cancel out these two negatives. So we'll just end up with a positive, and we'll pull out this 1/2 because it's a constant. And then we'll simplify these terms in the bottom. So this will just be x to the negative 3 dx. Okay? Let's get a little more space here. This term we can just bring down unchanged. Negative 1/2 x to the negative 2 natural log of x. And then we can just use inverse power rule here. So 1/2. And then this will be, x to the negative 2, and then negative 1/2. So then I'll just write it all one more time. Negative 1/2 x to the negative 2 natural log of x minus 1/4 x to the negative 2. And that's going to be our final answer. Whoops, and don't forget plus c. Very important. So there you go.